Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow adventurers, welcome to the captivating province of Sarangani. As your tour guide, I am thrilled to share with you three remarkable attractions that will leave you in awe of this eco-cultural wonderland. So fasten your seatbelts or life vests if we're heading to the water as we embark on our journey. Gumasa Beach. Our first stop is none other than the enchanting Gumasa Beach. Imagine a long stretch of powdery white sand kissed by the turquoise water of the Sarangani Bay. Vast coconut plantation line the beach, creating a serene backdrop for relaxation, whether you're sunbathing, building sandcastle, or simple strolling along the shore. Gumasa Beach promises a Boracay-like experience right here in Mindanao. South Point Dive Spots. Calling all scuba diving enthusiasts prefer to be mesmerized by the underwater wonders of the South Point Dive Spot. Descend into the depth around 200 feet deep and discovering stunning coral reef, teeming with marine life, manta rays, stingrays, rosses, and school of tuna and barracuda await your exploration. It's no wonder this spot is considered one of the most pristine in Sarangani. Sarangani Bay. Our final destination is the vast expanse of Sarangani Bay, covering over 215,950 hectares. It's one of the largest protected marine sites in the Philippines. Beneath its azure surface lies a thriving coral reef ecosystem, home to more than 411 reef species and 60 live hard coral genera. Let's celebrate the wonders of marine life and conservation effort here in Sarangani. As we conclude our tour, I encourage you to immerse yourself in the rich culture and heritage of Sarangani. Engage with the indigenous peoples who have safeguarded these resources for centuries. Remember, our action today shaped the future of this ecotourism gem. So let's tread lightly, appreciate the beauty around us, and continue to protect Sarangani for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and may your memories of Sarangani linger like the salty breeze from the bay. Safe travels, everyone!